Have you ever felt like you're living your life just to meet someone else's expectations? Like every step you take is silently judged, every move measured, every word weighed by invisible eyes watching your every decision. It's a silent prison, and millions are trapped in it without even knowing. But what if I told you the key to freedom isn't out there? It's already within you. What if the reason you feel stuck, drained, anxious, is because you've been giving away your power to people who don't even walk your path? Sit back. This is not just another video. This is a call to your soul. A shift in your thinking, a return to your own voice. You see, ancient wisdom teaches us a truth we often forget in our noisy modern lives. He who tries to please everyone ends up pleasing no one, not even himself. The Stoics, those wise thinkers of old, knew something we've lost. Epictetus once said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." That hits hard, doesn't it? Why? Because we've been trained to fear judgment, to chase approval like it's air, to think if they don't like us, we're not good enough. But here's the raw truth. They don't really know you. They know only the story they've made up about you. And yet, you let that story control your life. Let that sink in. You let other people's opinions, a mix of their biases, their moods, their fears, decide how you dress, speak, dream, love, and live. Why? Why give away your power to people who won't even remember your name in 10 years? There's an old Chinese proverb that says, "The nail that sticks out gets hammered down." But what if that nail was never meant to fit in? What if you were never meant to blend in, but to rise and lead? It's not easy to stop caring. Let's be honest. We are social creatures. We crave connection. But there's a difference between connection and control, between love and people-pleasing. And here's the truth that changes everything. Real connection doesn't require you to shrink. It doesn't demand you to wear a mask. If someone only loves the version of you that fits their mold, they don't love you. They love the illusion. Seneca, another Stoic master, said, "What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears." Life is short, painful, beautiful, brutal, precious, and in the end, you will stand before your own reflection, not theirs. So tell me, will you look in the mirror and see someone who lived fully, or someone who lived for others? It starts small. You notice yourself not saying what you truly think. You hold back a dream because, what if they laugh? You decline opportunities that light your soul because, what if they judge me? You become a watered-down version of your truth, and little by little, you disappear. But here's the beautiful twist. You can come back. Right now, in this moment, you can return to yourself. Imagine waking up tomorrow and not carrying the weight of their opinions. Imagine walking into a room and not shrinking. Imagine posting that idea, chasing that dream, wearing what feels right, not what's approved. That kind of freedom, that's not rebellion. That's sanity. That's peace. But that's living. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." If that doesn't stop you in your tracks, read it again. We trust others to define our worth, but they're not inside our minds. They don't hear the silent battles we fight. They don't know the scars we hide behind the smiles. So why give them the pen to write our story? Your worth is not up for debate. You don't need to earn your right to breathe, to speak, to dream. The world may try to make you forget that, but the truth is eternal. You are enough. Not when you get more likes, not when they finally approve, but now, as you are. With your messy thoughts, your awkward laugh, your imperfect voice. That's the you the world truly needs. When you stop caring what people think, something magical happens. You become real. Not a mirror reflecting everyone's expectations, but a flame, a light that guides, not pleases. And yes, not everyone will like it, but you're not here to be liked. You're here to live, to create, to love, to grow. And that means standing tall, even when they whisper, even when they mock, even when they leave. Because the ones who stay, the ones who see you and still stay, those are your people. Those are the ones you build with. And they won't come until you stop pretending. So be real, be bold, be free. Remember this every time you hesitate. The crowd you're afraid of, they're just as scared, just as broken, just as unsure. They don't have the answers either. But you have something powerful. They don't get to live your life, you do. So choose you, not just today, but every day. Don't wait for their applause to feel worthy. Don't let their silence make you feel invisible. The Stoics taught us that the opinions of others are like the wind. They come, they go, and they are never in your control. But your response? That is where your power lives. That is where your freedom begins. You are not here to follow the script they wrote for you. You are here to write your own. Burn the old pages. Start fresh. Speak your truth. Live with purpose. And the right ones, they will find you. But more importantly, you will find yourself. And when that happens, when you finally stop caring about what people think of you, you'll realize something beautiful. You never needed them to believe in you. You just needed to believe in yourself. Stay true, stay strong, and never let noise drown out your inner voice. This is your time. This is your life. Live it fully, boldly, and without apology. And if this message stirred something deep in your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Let others hear the call, because the world needs more souls who dare to live freely. If you want more of this, more truth, more depth, more reminders of who you really are, subscribe, stay close, and journey with us. The path of wisdom has only just begun.